All right, back we go. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've been super busy. October 24th. Yeah, the month's flying by. The markets had some crazy moves with Trump and this new SPAC, DWAC, Fun, Mark. Just looking through the list, they all ran pretty insane. Yeah, that might heat up this penny market. Really get these stocks going. You had like funds 330%, Mark 214%, just flyers all over the place, which is good to see in the market. All right, let's look at Prague. I've done this video before. Let's take a look way back in 2020. This first came about. It said that candles high as 1592. Then we went sideways for like 4 months. A lot of these stocks can like consolidate for months. I've seen 6 months, sometimes longer. Then we went down. Then we bounced, really strong move from December all the way up. And I put the retracement level 100% all the way down to where we were in September. So you can see 23.6 fibs levels just above 4. And this was very oversold. And then we had to move out of this wedge, very long, big wedge. You see it tighten a little bit. You can draw wedges any way you want. You can make it tighter here, an inner wedge of this bigger outer wedge. We came up, and then it's really dropped. And this was the low right here at, excuse me, 66 cents. Now, usually in a gap fill, you want it just to come above the gap. This really cleared that easy. And I saw the $1 roll here. See that $1? That was interesting in this chart because the gap could be anywhere, but it fell right near this 175-cent level, which is really good. Came to 1. We bounced all the way up to 2. And look where we came back. That's why I keep saying a 13 EMA, 20 EMA. You can even go 9 EMA. They're like the best things to use as indicators, best indicators to use. Look what happened here. We went up and we came back and look where it held. 125 to 1320 EMA. Big candle up again. Came back to 2. So the lows are getting higher. We came back again. 225. Look at this move on Friday. Look at the volume down here. See my white bars are up, volume red are down. Very strong. Stochastics going up like a snake move. Yeah, here we are now at 3. And you have the 23.6 fibs level, like I said, at 425. Yeah, I think we easily break through. We get to this 4 level. That was that last move here. So I'm looking at 4, short term. I don't see any reason why we can't get there. On the weekly, you see the downtrend. Every bounce, but it's going down. Now, to break that trend, we got to get up here and break this 4. Or else, if we fall or something weird happens and we go down on Monday, the thing I see here, though, the reason why I think we're going up, stochastics is clearly going up. You have white over red. That's extremely bullish, extremely far away on this indicator. So I think we will continue here. I don't see just a major cross down. There'll be a quick move on a weekly. I doubt that. So look at 4, and then, can we get this 6? We'll see if we get the 4, how this is looking. If this ramps up in volume, they really jump on it. Monthly is just forming. See, there's not much indicators. 13 EMAs here. You have very oversold. It looks like it's forming at 12. So that's like I said, it's very oversold at this point. And you can see, look at the space here from the low to this retracement level. I did completely low to high, and look where we're at here. Get a move here, small move, another move here, and look at this. Big, heavy volume in these up days. So let's look at some more fundamentals and stats on this. It's market cap 416 million. Insiders transaction rates 118%. Institutions own 65%. Insiders 11%. It's not bad. I don't see the float on FinViz. October 14th, initiated Wainwright buy $4. Any news in this? Why Prodigy stock was up more than 25%? It was Motley Fool. They're going to participate in Crohn's Colitis Foundation in Innovate Conference. That was October 19th. And looking at what they do, their biotech company provides, develops, commercializes molecular testing products in the United States. They have all kinds of stuff here. A BRC, half gene. Just look at different things. They have a PGN 001, PGN 300, 600, OB2. Yeah, they're not kind of one trick pony where they have one drug and it fails and it's doomed. So look into their, what this company's about. It's a pretty long paragraph on what they're about: artificial reproductive technologies, COVID-19. They're in that space. A lot going on here. And when you have a stock all the way up here, what was this I said there? 15 again, 13.95. Look what it did. It went down, bounced. It really found this low here again at 66 cents. And look what happened. See, in penny stock land, a lot of these videos, people don't understand penny stocks or, how stocks move, a lot of these lower price stocks. You have a quarter penny stocks, you have $50, $75. They're the four, main numbers. A lot of times they'll bottom at 25, around that, sometimes lower. Then they start to climb their way up. Could be months, 50 cents, 75. $1 is huge. If you get over $1, you will continue to roll for some time. Now, could it be, a few days? Yes. Could be a big spike like this one. It's been a month now. It's pretty much been a month. So over that one is big. It made move over one. And it continues to have, on these days, it pulls back very much lower volume. See this? The lower volume. And then it spikes up. That's what's in right now. That's what it's doing right now at this point. So I'm looking for 4. And then we'll see if we can get into this 6 zone and this 4 to 6 zone right here. You have to watch it day to day in these. Anything happen, any news, it could be bad, could be good, it could push it more. So watch for that. A lot of traders in this. Look at this volume. This is never done. 197 million, 300 million. It's incredible volume now. Very liquid at this point. So that's it on Prague. And just reading through on FinViz, a lot of traders, I'm writing about this on StockTwits. So they're heavily, looking at this stock. Next to fly, and people didn't know what they're talking about. Just everyone's jumping on it. So you got to watch that factor. All right. So there's Prague and the big move. I like these stocks. There's many different plays too in stock trading. You can play, swing trading, scalping, etc. There's 1,000 ways to make money. I love these gap downs, and eventually, like on a move, see this one here, and eventually start to move out. You're going to get out as a trader. It kept going, but if it doesn't move, you get out and see what happens. It kept going down. You just wait for the next move. You don't force any trades. So look at it, 75, big gap here. Love the gap because they eventually will fill. They'll at least get halfway to the gap most of the time, and eventually they fill. It could take a while, but look at this one. September, there you go, and that's the move. This was actually a good day trade too on Friday. Once this went down, you're watching probably, it's not doing nothing. The thing too in day trading, that's why I use this 1320 EMA. As soon as this wrap happens, look at this. Say right at 240. It's always support then on a move up. See this support, and then really explodes. This was like less than an hour. What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big green candles, and then look how big they got, even bigger. And look at the move down. Then it really just got crushed up top here. They really pushed it down. That's how fast these moves can be. And then eventually see it touched and came back up. Now, reason it can go through again, look at the 13 over to 20 EMA. You don't have a crossover here. It's way too fast to crossover. It did come back up. Went sideways, it battled, then it's get choppy, made a little move up again. Look at the 10-minute. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 big candles. It's a shooting star wick. It's really a selling candle. And you can take it out certain time frames. That's why the higher time frames are huge. I don't do anything 1, 2 minute, no more. But very rarely give it a 3 on this. 3 is still not bad. Look at this right here. 230, 240, and there it goes. And that's the move. Look how big this candle is. This candle went from 270 to 330, and then 330 all the way down to 270. That is a big, massive candle. Now, if you're up here and you see this, where did this open? opened at 328, so it opened high and just went down in the 3 minute. You don't have to get a move exactly. When you have all these green candles, there's no reason to sell until you have a red candle, which was here. And then you take it out further. Look at this. There's a big red candle there. So these can be swing trades, day trades. You just have to know what you're looking for exactly. Very smart traders get in on this at the low. They knew the value of this company. They knew, it's going to stay a penny stock for long. They have all these, drugs in the pipeline, or whatever they do. And from the top to bottom, again, you want to buy here or here. That's how stock trading works. Simplifying it. So you want to get in at a good low, and this was the good low. Look at the move up. See here, so it never crossed below this 13 EMA. Every time support. Look at that wick up, support. I'm right here. So there's Prague. We'll see what this does. We'll watch for the move over 3 to 4 and see where they push this. No one knows exactly, but you can just take, you can just take a guess. Looking at past performance and any resistance from before. So you see the 4 and up here to 6 as resistance. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out links below. I have a Patreon. I put out videos like buy support levels, where I think they're going. If you want to join, check it out. We're out for now. Peace.